I spoke to a foreigner to improve my English.
Wow, that's so cool. Did it go?
It was great. I learned a lot.
Hello.
How are you?
Nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm doing great. And you?
I'm also great. Thank you for asking. Where are you from?
I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Namtam. I'm from Thailand, and I'm living in Bangkok. It's a capital city of Thailand.
Okay. How long have been using this app?
Yeah, I think it may be previous year, 2025.
Okay. How was your experience this app?
This platform is really nice. I can practice English with different country, with different accent,
Yeah.
with different culture.
Are you using any other app for learn English?
No, I use YouTube for listening podcast.
Okay. Where listen about this app? Any social media or any your friends suggest you?
I'm using TikTok application.
Mostly, which country peoples connect with you?
I think maybe India, Indonesia, Philippines.
What do you do for learn English every day?
I just listen podcast. I just listen podcast.
Okay.
Not too much for learning English. Sometimes I practice English in this platform. Most of my time, I open the YouTube channel for listening podcast.
Okay. Are you college student or any kind of work?
I'm a university student,
Okay.
and now I'm studying in business and administration management.
Do you have any question for me?
Yeah, you are from India?
Yeah, I'm from India.
Yeah. I heard most of the places in India are very beautiful,
Yeah.
like Kashmir. My pronunciation is correct or not, I'm not sure, but in my accent is a Kashmir.
Kashmir.
Is this correct?
Yeah.
Kash-
Kashmir.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful place.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I really want to visit.
In your city is the most famous place and many tourists visit there.
Yeah, our country is a Buddhist country. Most of the people are Buddhism, so our country has many Asian temples. Do you know temple?
Yeah, I know.
Many Asian temples.
Yeah, I know temple.
Yeah, and also beautiful beach, like a Pattaya, Phuket, something like this.
Okay. What do you do in your free time?
In the free time, I'm doing my housework.
Okay.
I have many things to do, like doing laundry, doing iron, doing washing, white dish. Yeah.
Okay. Would you like to the cooking? Enjoy your favorite food?
Yeah. Um, I'm a real having spicy food.
Okay.
But yeah. In my everyday, I couldn't eat without spicy food. How about you? What's your future plan?
My future plans are first to get a job, and maybe in future, and I decided to create the content creator because you know in the content creator is the social media. Every person say the need and these times, and there's a lot of the money provide and enjoy and
Yeah.
traveling and you blogging channels and you enjoy, and and social media provide the money. So both are your life is secure. I think visit your home. Okay, okay, bye.
I just have we have a